Hello everybody, it is Becca Switzer with Roof Sales Mastery, author of Diamonds in the Sky, and we're going to be filling you in on what my keynote speech is actually going to be here for RoofCon. And if you're not in the know yet, RoofCon is going to be a conference held in Houston, Texas, October 15th through the 17th, and I'm going to be a keynote speaker there along with a ton of other really impressive, like a big lineup of industry experts and leaders, including Dale Childress. We've got Pete Smith, Randy Brothers, Jim Johnson, John Dye, Hunter Ballou. The list goes on and on. This is a conference that's going to be completely focused on delivering massive value. One thing they really made a big point about was, we don't want this to just be a pitch fest. Like, we really want people to come to this conference and leave with tools, inspiration, like things that they can bring back to their business and actually put to use, which obviously I love because I'm a huge proponent of delivering massive value. And so this whole conference is really focused on delivering you guys value and content that's going to be around leadership, integrity, and really securing your legacy with your business. And what that means is making sure that you guys are able to actually create a sustainable business that has longevity to it, that you can hopefully soon step away from. Like, you don't have to be running the treadmill, wearing all the hats, and just killing yourself running your business. So that's what this is going to be focused around. And specifically what I'm going to be talking with you guys about is achieving sustainability and scalability in recruiting and training. So what I'm going to be talking with you guys about is the biggest recruiting and training mistakes that business owners make that keeps them in this constant treadmill. It makes it like a never-ending revolving door for their sales team. We're going to be talking about why ride-along training is salesman suicide and why it really doesn't work, even though everybody thinks oh, this is the best way. They can just come and learn from the top player. I'm going to break that down for you guys and help you understand why that's really not the best method. We're also going to talk about achieving the franchise effect. So how can we learn from businesses like McDonald's or other franchises that really have duplicated themselves so many times? They obviously have proven systems that help them do billions of dollars a year. How can we apply those concepts to the roofing industry? And then we're also going to talk about how to pay brand new recruits so that you're not hemorrhaging out tons of base pay money and also putting your bottom line at massive risk when you're doing large recruiting. People always have questions about, should I pay people for training? Should I pay them base pay? How does that work? And I've really figured out a great system for you guys to copy that really works and protects you and helps actually create activity from your brand new recruits. So we're going to talk about that as well, along with a bunch of other points, but that's just kind of an overview of what we're going to go over. So please visit roofcon.com. That's ROOFCON.com. And you can use promo code SWITZ, SWITZ, for 10% off. Tickets are only $297. It's super cheap. And there's group rates available. You can check that out on the website. I would love to see you there. It's going to be cool. I'd love to shake some hands. Actually, I'm a hugger. I'm more of a hugger. We'll be hugging. Social distancing. But I'm looking forward to seeing you guys. Check out the website, use the promo code. Looking forward to seeing you October. Again, that's October 15th through the 17th in Houston, Texas for RoofCon. All right, folks, see you there.